This cycling POV video trend is going insanely viral on Instagram. This one Instagram page gained 218K followers just by posting this type of content. One of their videos got 263 million views, and their other videos are going viral too. And it's not just one page. Look at this other Instagram page. They gained 2.2M followers, and one of their videos hit 24 million. So in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can make these types of videos. Here's one I made in less than 5 minutes. Let's get started. Head over to ChatGPT. On the left sidebar, click on Apps, then find GPTs on the upper right and click on it. Then search for POV Cycling Generator. Click on it, and then click Start Chats. Then click on Start Generator. This GPT will generate both an image prompt and a video prompt at the same time. Once it's done, copy the image prompt and head over to OpenArt. You can find the link in the description. On the left sidebar, click on Image and select Nanobanana2 for image generation. Paste your image prompt. Set the output to 916, choose 1K, then hit Generate. After the image is created, download it and go back to ChatGPT. Copy the video prompt, then head back to OpenArt. Click on Video in the left sidebar. Choose the VO 3.1 model, upload your image, and paste your video prompt. Set the output to 916. Select your video duration, then hit Generate. And here are the results. That's the full workflow. All the links you need are in the description. Make sure you subscribe so you never miss out.